Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the topic that has the potential to change your life and change your bank account. That's right, we're talking about affiliate marketing. I'm Heather, and if we haven't met before, thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm taking you on my journey to build an affiliate marketing business with zero followers on YouTube, zero followers on TikTok, and zero followers on my email list. If you've ever dreamed about a passive income by promoting someone else's products, you're going to love this series, and this video is for you. So let's get started. First things first, let's quickly cover what affiliate marketing is all about. In simple terms, it's a way for you to earn a commission by promoting someone else's products or services. As an affiliate marketer, you become a brand advocate, sharing your genuine experiences and recommendations with your audience. And when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a percentage of the sale. Sounds pretty cool, right? Today, we're going to touch on the first three things you need to get started the right way so you can hit the ground running and set your business up properly from the start. This will save you tons of time in the long run as your business grows. I'm going to dive deeper in each of these three topics in separate videos. So be sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time a new video is dropped. So let's get started. Before you do anything, you need to find your niche. And part of finding your niche is knowing who you are and who you want to help. To keep the key to success as an affiliate marketer is knowing this. What are you truly passionate about? Is it fashion? Is it fitness? Is it cooking? Maybe it's all the tech gadgets. So choose something that genuinely interests you, that you can talk about and aligns with your expertise. Remember, authenticity is crucial when building trust with your audience. I'm sure you've seen all those videos that people are promoting tons of different things and have a plethora of links in their bio. I'm going to show you how to build an affiliate marketing business the right way, where it is more in alignment with who you are and what your passion and your focus is all about. So honestly, when I started my entrepreneurial journey, I skipped over this step about finding my niche. I thought everybody wanted what I had. I wasted countless hours and quite a bit of money by not really knowing who my audience was and what I wanted to be known for. So don't make the same mistake I did. Take the time and do this properly. Be sure to check out the video I'm going to share on finding your niche and knowing your why, or knowing what you want to be known for. I created a worksheet for this, and I'll be sure to have that in the video description. So be sure to check that out. Step two, creating engaging content. Content is king, my friends. So to succeed as an affiliate marketer, you need to create engaging content that captivates your audience, whether it's through blog posts or your social media posts, YouTube videos like this one, or even podcasts. You want to provide value and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Share your honest opinions, showcase your products you're promoting, and offer helpful tips and insights. Honestly, I believe this is one of the most important things, is putting your authentic voice on what it is that you're promoting, rather than just always be selling. Always provide value. Don't think about your checkbook. People don't use checkbooks anymore, but you know what I mean. So if you aren't sure where to start when it comes to picking a platform, again, be sure to check out the show descriptions for the free resource I created to help you choose the right platform for you. And of course, I'm going to share a video on this coming up. So make sure that bell is rung, right? Step three is promoting your affiliate links. All right, here, this is really where the magic happens. You're going to promote your affiliate links. You want to do this strategically by incorporating your affiliate links within your content. like your product reviews, your comparison guides, or even in the descriptions of your social media posts. But remember, authenticity is key. Be transparent. Make sure that you disclose your affiliate relationship with your audience so they know that you are earning a commission on the product that you're promoting. Because let's face it, honesty builds trust and keeps your audience coming back for more. I will be doing a additional video on showing you a better way for promoting links not in your social media. Not that it's wrong, I just think it's more authentic to actually continue to give value and have your audience ask for the information. So, and there you have it. That's the basics of starting your affiliate marketing business. It's a journey that requires patience, consistency, and genuine desire to help others. The rewards can absolutely be amazing. If you're ready to embark on this exciting adventure, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and join our community. I'm here to support you every step of the way. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in affiliate marketing or need a side hustle. And remember, the world is your oyster when it comes to affiliate marketing. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.